Hello, fellow crafters. How do you warm your resin? This is how I do mine. I got a Toastmaster kettle from Dollar General for a penny. Yes, a penny. And then I used my creamer tub here, and I warm up my resin, heat it up until the light goes out, put the water into the tub, and that's how I heat my resin up. I will leave my resin in the hot water bath until I'm ready to use it, usually about 10 minutes, if not longer. And then I can just take the water once it's cooled off, put it back in the kettle, reheat it, and use it again. This is my way of heating my resin, and so far this has been one of the better ways that I've come up with. Let me know how you guys heat your resin. Let me know if this video was beneficial to you. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Let's go to crafting. Instead of peace out, it's craft out. Bye.